Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany and I am a cash stuffer here on YouTube. We are a family of 3 going on being a family of 4, and today I have my monthly teacher paycheck for you guys. So if you'd like to see how I budget my monthly paycheck, just keep watching. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our nifty lighter and light this candle. I love to do this on screen. It's just like a fun little tradition we have. And y'all, I know you're probably sick of hearing me say this. I am just still struggling to get my watch hours, and I'm trying to post more consistently. But if you have time to watch a little longer today, subscribe, comment, up my engagement, I would really, really appreciate it. I'm so close to being monetized, and it's like our last little hurdle. So anyway, so when I have this wallet, it means I went and spent some money. I did go get my nails and my toes done. I am over 6 months pregnant, and so doing my own toes is just not a thing I can do anymore. I got a nice short set of nails. I've tried learning to do them on my own. It's so hard. It takes so much longer. And honestly, at this point, I think we found a good nail salon and they did not charge us an arm and a leg. And I love this color. It's like my favorite, like spring type color to do. So fun, so easy. Love it. All right, so these envelopes, if you have watched my channel before, we are going to put these back in as we go when we're missing what we need. But there we go. I do save to get this kind of stuff done. So yeah. All right, this we'll come back to in a little bit. We are going to get into my wallet and we're going to clear it out first. And I don't know about y'all, it's really early in the morning here, so your girl made some iced coffee. This is my coffee for the day. Being pregnant, gotta limit that caffeine. I want to say that's like the hardest part for me is like sushi and caffeine, because I just absolutely love 1, 2, 3 caffeine. Like I just like crave coffee for the taste. It's not even always like I just need caffeine. Like sometimes it's really just, I'm putting that in our 100 envelope jar. You'll see some more go in there today. And let's get into our groceries, eating out, spending. So we're doing 2 weeks because we're playing catch up a little bit. What's new? Your girl is always playing catch up, it seems. And so we're putting 150 in. So 20, 51, 20, 45, 50 into groceries. And I'm excited because we're going to a town tomorrow with an Aldi, and I'm going to go do some shopping at Aldi. It's so exciting. And then we have 20 and 30 and 20 and 30. And so that's going to put 60 into eating out. We are going to the zoo. I'm so excited. It might rain tomorrow. So we might go Friday and just like hang out in the town we're going to tomorrow, but we'll see. And then spending is 20, 40, 60, oopsies, 80. Okay, and so that is how I personally do my wallet. I love this Michael Kors wallet, and I spent, a pretty penny on it. So I've had it forever. I barely have like any wear and tear like here, but the rest, and then this turned colors. But honestly, other than that, excuse me, this wallet is still really great. And so I highly recommend buying like designer products when they have this wherewithal and they last this long. Other than that though, I'm not really super into it. Like your girl will buy an Amazon product in a second. You know, I have all my Amazon links below. Your girl is not always trying to do the most. Okay, so here we go. And let's fill up our monthly binder. Okay, so if you've watched me for any amount of time at all, you know I'm a teacher. You know I get paid monthly. And you know that we have this binder to put our weekly cash stuffings aside so that we can, so the money's not in my account, tempting me, honestly, because I'm very easily tempted, if I'm being honest. I'm like, oh no, there's money in there. It's fine. It's fine. And that's where I run into like accidentally spending too much from my account, is if I don't cash stuff soon enough. And so I'm trying to be a little more on top of that. I've also just gotten better at like not spending money all the time from like my spending account and stuff. So I'm gonna take my mom envelope out of here because I did pay for her to get her nails done. And then she paid for her pedicure, which I still kind of felt bad about. I was like, I'm sorry I can't pay for both, Mom. And so, but she'll get this as well. And so I think she'll get like today's paycheck. All right, so let's go into our emergency is full. Here's our Alliant. And the debt is getting $415. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 15. And this is getting super full. We need to get her in. 10, okay, 15. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. 100, 200, 300, 400, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 800, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. $1,835 in debt. Holy bajoli, that is a lot. And that is our debt payments after we've paid all of our bills. So just remember, if you're watching this, like this is our cash stuffing after all of our bills are paid. That's just how we happen to do it. You're welcome to cash stuff however you want. I don't cash stuff our bills and stuff that come out of our account because taking the cash out and putting it back in is too much for me. It's too hard. I can't do it. I've tried. It doesn't work for us. So do what works for you always with cash stuffing and budgeting, because that's what matters. What works is what matters. So we have 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 85, 95, 400, 510. Woohoo, we're gonna get to put more intentional living placeholders in here. We have got to do a bill swap soon. Okay, and then college is 25, right? Yeah. There's like this really ugly 20 right here, and I'm like avoiding it like the plague. I'm like, ew, you're gross. I don't want to put you in my cash envelopes. Also, I don't know why I talk with that accent. All right, so we have 1,000, 2,000, 500, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47. So 26, 47. We have a little more. We have a Fidelity 529 college fund account for him. So there's always like a little more or a little less. Just depends. All right, vacation is getting 50, which is good because we are going on that little adventure, and we'll use this to pay for the hotel because we're gonna get a hotel overnight. Y'all, I'm so bad. I have not even booked it, and I need to book it like yesterday. 150, 70, 90, 210, 230, 240. That should be perfect for this little outing, for like just a one-night trip. And then fun, 19. Oh gosh. And then this will be good because this will pay for our zoo tickets. So it all works together eventually. So let's pay for our zoo tickets. We have 10, 15. Oh, that 10 is ugly too. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. Oh, there we go. Boom shakalaka. All right, pets care, 14. 3, 4. And I have this bed I want to get her that I feel like it's just time for her to get a new bed so that her old bed can go to the shop with my husband because she goes to work with him a lot. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 85, 95, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 116. That's great for her. We also need to take her to get groomed, to get her summer cut. Date night is, what do I do here? 20. We'll put the ugly 20 there, I guess. Yeah. So snobby. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 40, 55, 60. So 160. Ugh. That 20 is so irritating. I hate when people tear up money because it's just like, why? Why are you ripping it? I don't understand. Car maintenance is getting 40. I actually need to take that and put it on the credit card. Ugh, bad word. 100, 200, 300, 400, 20, 40, 60. So that's in our car maintenance fund. Birthdays is 25. See, this is ugly money too. All right, so we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 25, 35. So 335, which is awesome because my brother's birthday is coming up. All right, and then miscellaneous is 30. And this is always a good. We'll take this when we go on our little vacation just for extra expenses. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4. $64. And then personal is nothing. And then right in here, we're going to get out our beauty envelope to put it back. And then, I don't know if y'all know this, Ulta is doing their 21 days of beauty right now. And I think today is a day I need to go buy my eyeliner. And like all of the prestige makeup is on sale. So don't sleep on that. Go check out Ulta because those beauty finds are such a great deal. So if you use any of the makeup, like go get it for half off. I always get my moisturizer from It Cosmetics for half off too. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, I didn't realize I had that much on there. And I paid for my nails out of that. So 197. That means I can get my hair. I want to cut off a lot. My hair is really, really long right now. So I want to take my maternity photos and then do a chop. Not super short, but like a little bit below my shoulders. That's short for me. Okay, for me. Short for me. And then, okay, we're in here. And my mommy gets 125. And then 50 into, and that's all she has. It's not all, but you know. AC repair gets 50. And that's it, y'all. We made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something cool. And I hope you have a great day. Let's count this last one together, and then I'll see you later. So 20, 40, 60. Let's do this. So 100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 25. Yay for 225. I love you guys so much. Have a great day. Bye.